Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a fantastic side dish of sweet corn. This is a delicious and very easy way to cook fresh corn cobs, and if you enjoy a bit of heat in your veggies, this is definitely a recipe to try out. After washing the corn cobs well, use a chef's knife or any other heavy knife to cut each cob into about 2 centimeters slices. Then, using disposable gloves suitable for food preparation, use a sharp knife to slice the bird's eye chili into thin slices. You don't need to necessarily wear gloves, but in that case, always make sure you don't touch your eyes and wash your hands after preparing the chili. If you prefer less intense heat in your dish, remove the white membrane of the chili and most of the seeds first, before slicing, or use less chopped chili. As an alternative, you can use instead about 1/4 teaspoon of crushed dried chilies, or even less if you prefer. Also, grate and juice half of the lime and crush the garlic cloves. And finally, chop the fresh coriander. In a large enough saucepan, able to hold the cob slices in a single layer, gently heat the vegetable butter and oil and saute the garlic for 2 or 3 minutes. Then, stir in the chopped chili and cook for a further 2 minutes. Finally, add the lime zest, lime juice, water, and the corn slices. Cover with the lid, and when it starts to bubble, reduce the heat and cook for about 10 minutes or until the corn is tender. Make sure you shake the pan frequently so that the corn slices cook on all sides. When the corn is cooked, add a bit of salt and stir in the chopped coriander. Serve in a bowl with lime wedges if you want, and eat with the help of corn holders. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.